No, as for the organizational point of view, earlier we were only 72 chapters. Now we have come up to 141 chapters. And earlier we had about 28 states. Now we are 22 states. We are developing very strong organization at the grassroots level. Also, we have introduced the code of conduct. Every member has to sign, and consumer grievance and redressal forum also. Every chapter has to has, because any consumer has any grievances against the developer, they can approach this chapter where the consumer grievance cell is there. This is going good mileage for all the consumers. There is a some sort of comfort for them that if they, in case of any grievance, I can go to a third party. CREDAI is there. CREDAI can address our grievances. This is really working well, and most of the cities we have seen, consumers are asking before booking the apartments. They are asking, are you a member of CREDAI? That is one good aspect, and we are doing lot of awareness and educational activities, training activities for all developers across the country, and we are also training the workers also. This is one side. The other side, if you see growth across the country, last this 4 or 5 years, there is a very sea change in the small towns, districts and small and medium towns. There is a lot of growth there. There are a lot of activity of apartments. There are good colonies are coming up. So the price difference earlier used to be huge between a metro city and a small town. Now almost the price gap also has come closer. So that means the towns also are having the best infrastructure at par with the metros. They got the malls, multiplexes, hospitals, educational institution. Everything is available in the most of the towns now. So the migration also to some extent is reducing, I can say. But the development, this is the change when you compare earlier decades and last this decade, running decade, there is a change. Balanced growth is happening across the country, small and medium towns also. That is the reason now I can say our members are almost more than 80% our developers members comes from small and medium towns. So this also going well, and across the country there is a escalation of the prices every year, 15 to 20%, because of the the inflation is also going up, material cost, labor component. There is huge shortage of labor also. And then the taxation also is going up, because all taxation is in terms of percentage. That is the reason there is a cascading effect. Whenever there is an escalation in the land prices, the registration department, they increase the land prices to make more revenue. But that has a cascading effect. Whenever the land prices are going up, the apartment cost goes up, because all taxations are in percentage. So I think the government has to be very sensitive whenever they want to increase the land prices. So that has to be avoided, at least to have affordable housing segment to meet their requirement.
So finally, what is your aim, sir, in this, coming to?
No, our aim is for the keeping an end user. Like any cell phone or automobiles, anything, a end user as an option and is getting a quality. Similarly, by educating our developers, by training them, by exposing them to the good practices within India, within every zone of India and outside India, we do every year we do a convention at the international level. There also a lot of exposure we give. We take them to various projects. This time also we are taking the 3 projects in Delhi, Noida, big projects. Each project is about 500 acres. We are taking our developer friends to see that. So the developers' awareness is very huge, I can say. For the last several years, we are taking them to all the places. They are learning what are the good practices, and they are coming out with a good product. So our intention is good product, a quality product with good specification, amenities within the stipulated time. They have to deliver at a reasonable price. That is the aim of the CREDAI. If that we achieve, then we also have lesser grievances from the end users. So we have to give a perfect finished product, like a car we are manufacturing or a cell. We had a lot of problems at the site. It is not manufactured in the factory. We have a lot of issues are there. Practical issues are there at site, because we depend on so many vendors, we depend on so many contractors, we depend on so many consultants. So it's like a medical field. Earlier, one MBBS doctor was there, olden time, but now there is so much of speciality in healthcare. Similar speciality has come in construction field also. So many, we have to deal with so many people. We have to get the approvals, means we have to go to various departments for the approvals. We are facing a lot of problems, funding problem, marketing problem, but we are all trying to solve these problems through our southern conventions, international NatCons, through the conclave. All issues we are covering, we are educating our developer friends, or also we are giving a inputs to the various governments to come out with the best policies, wherein the time is saved, the productivity goes up, the cost come down. So these are the issues we take up with all the governments. Sometimes we are successful, sometimes it takes some time to understand the problem at the government level, but we are positive and the governments are responding to our request, and we are moving the right direction. In some of the issues is a matter of time. We will definitely solve those issues. We are confident. CREDAI is well recognized by all the ministries and the planning commission, and we are part and parcel of all the policy making, and we are confident the ultimately the end user will gain.
Thank you.
Thank you.